Affordable comfort at Premiere Classe Istres. Welcome to Premiere Classe Istres, a budget-friendly 2-star hotel located in the charming town of Istres, France. With its convenient location and comfortable accommodations, this hotel is the perfect choice for both leisure and business travelers. At Premiere Classe Istres, check-in begins at 2 p.m., allowing you plenty of time to settle in and start your stay. The friendly and accommodating staff will be ready to assist you upon arrival, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. If you need to check out, the hotel kindly asks that you do so by 12 p.m., giving you ample time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or prepare for your departure. With 60 well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Istres offers a cozy and relaxing atmosphere for its guests. Each room is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities and a tasteful decor. Whether you're traveling alone, with a partner, or with your family, you'll find the perfect room to suit your needs. Please note that Premiere Classe Istres has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is best to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding these charges. Additionally, if you're traveling with your furry friends, the hotel allows up to 2 pets per room, ensuring that your beloved companions can join you on your journey. Experience affordable comfort and convenience at Premiere Classe Istres. Book your stay today and enjoy a pleasant and memorable visit to Istres, France. Unwind and enjoy at Premiere Classe Istres' entertainment facilities. At Premiere Classe Istres, we understand the importance of relaxation and entertainment during your stay. That's why we offer a range of entertainment facilities to ensure you have a memorable and enjoyable experience. Begin your evening by visiting our stylish bar, where you can unwind with a refreshing drink and socialize with fellow guests. Whether you prefer a classic cocktail or a local wine, our skilled bartenders will be delighted to serve you. When you're in the mood for some fresh air and tranquility, our expansive garden is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Take a leisurely stroll through the lush greenery, find a cozy spot to read a book, or simply bask in the sun. Our garden provides a serene and peaceful environment where you can relax and recharge. So whether you're looking to socialize or find solace in nature, Premiere Classe Istres has the entertainment facilities to cater to your needs. Convenient facilities at Premiere Classe Istres. Welcome to Premiere Classe Istres, where convenience is at the forefront of your stay. Our hotel offers a range of facilities to ensure your comfort and ease during your time with us.